Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to OneDrive at 2026. So actually guys, you will need just open up your favorite browser and then just use the search bar, type right there canva.com and make sure you are logged in or signed in to the Canva's website. Alright, so right now, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that, how you can connect the Canva to OneDrive. So you only just open any design at first, alright? So for me, I will go with that one, for example, and I'll create a new one as well. So in the left sidebar here, you will need to click on the apps option. Okay, and on the search bar or search Canva apps, you will need to type OneDrive right there. Okay, then just hit enter, and that's the OneDrive icon. It's a blue colored cloud as well. So then just go and click on open here and click on connect afterward. So you only just click connect, and all you need to do here is to sign in with your Microsoft account and then just click allow to grant permissions. Okay, and then you'll be done. So your OneDrive files right now will appear directly inside Canva. So now you will need to know about the allowed or the supported formats, documents or images that you can import to your OneDrive or from your OneDrive to your Canva. Okay, we have PNG, JPG for images, PDFs, PowerPoints, PPT and PPTX, and the videos. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.